Hey guys, welcome to my another travel vlog. I am in Dubai and this is my second day. So today I will be exploring some of the places and showing you the Dubai city, and I also have a meetup there in a city center, Maldives city center. So we'll be showing you some of the attractions today as well, and then I will be making actually a new video, a new travel vlog every day when I'm in Dubai, because Dubai has a simply a great attraction. You can go anywhere and simply record the awesome moments there. And our friend here, Mr. Hassan, you can see us driving, and simply an awesome guy. And behind in the background you can see Mr. Shahid, our travel companion, and there is a doctor Saab as well. Yeah, and he is also very happy and enjoying with me. So I'm actually looking for adventurers, for people who can do a joint venture, a travel along all together. So see you with the attractions in Dubai.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Driving in Dubai and actually exploring all the city from your car or a car of anyone else is simply an awesome experience. We are right now enjoying simply. I don't know what the hell is going on with that guy who is there, Mr. Shahid, but I'm enjoying myself because we're listening to Pashto songs and actually it feels really great. Guys, this is city center Mirde, a little bit outside of the city of Dubai, but going inside and show you this city center. चलते रहे चलते रहे चलते रहे. जी जी, बगैर आपकी परमिशन की वीडियो बना रहा हूँ आपकी. हैं?
आपको लिखत में चाहिए तो मैं वो भी दे दूँगा.
अच्छा. काया हो या ना काया हो, मेरे पास एक कैमरा है.
चला चला के वो भी परेशान नहीं है.
Everyone, we are here. No, Mirde city center is very big mall. Right here, so many food outlets and shopping outlets and everything. We are Saud Bhai from Sharjah. Who will tell us what is special in this mall.
This Mirde city center is one of the biggest in UAE from all the city centers that are open in UAE yet, and it's quite huge. It would take like almost a whole day to visit each and every corner of this city center.
To explore it.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see. It's very big, wide,
Yes.
long, and so much to do here actually.
Yes.
So basically, let's see, just find some outstanding scenes here.
Yes.
आप
जहाँ पे इंटरफेरेंस हो आप
Hey.